It's a pretty attention-grabbing headline. We've learned former Governor Andrew Cuomo will be deposed under oath in the sexual harassment lawsuit filed against him by a state trooper who was previously assigned to his security detail when he was governor. Cuomo denies the accusations that he sexually harassed her, but the case is moving forward in federal court. And joining us live now to help us understand what's happening here is attorney Barry Covert. He is a defense attorney and also legal analyst for us here at 2 on Your Side. Barry, it's always great to get your insight on this. And the trooper's attorney says this deposition is going to happen on August 23rd. And to kind of refresh everybody's memory, she says that Cuomo kissed her on the cheek, touched her stomach, all of this while she was on duty helping to protect him. He denies all of it. But I wonder, what are we to make of the fact that this has now moved to a stage in the case where he's going to be deposed? What does that tell us?
That they survived whatever motions his team brought, if they did at the beginning, to have the case dismissed. We have now are engaged in the discovery process, which a deposition is a part of that. And we can expect 7 hours, which is what was set aside for this, of spirited questions and answers. He's a very well-spoken lawyer himself, former attorney general. We can expect that he is going to give as much as he takes. Both sides have a lot of time to prepare for this. The plaintiff's lawyers are going to try to catch him in some type of a misstatement, mischaracterization, or a lie, a factual a screw-up. And he's going to try to make sure he explains exactly his version of events, which is there was no sexual harassment and that he never did touch her in the manner that she claims, never made those advances towards her. It's going to be very interesting proceedings.
So, Barry, this lawsuit follows the blockbuster report that we got from the state attorney general's office a couple of years back. People will remember that. It found that Cuomo committed sexual misconduct, including harassment, against almost a dozen different women. Does that have any impact on this lawsuit? I'm sure that the attorney for the trooper would love to be able to bring that into evidence. Is that something they're going to have to fight over, depending on how far this goes?
You can expect that if there's a trial, that report itself likely will not be introduced. But it is a blueprint for the plaintiff's lawyers to follow to try to establish that these events occurred both with respect to their client and in relationship to others who alleged that they were also victims of sexual harassment. So it does give them a lot of ammunition for going through the discovery process, the deposition process, who to name as possible witnesses at trial. But the report itself will likely never be seen by the jury.
Barry, I've only got 10 seconds left, but can you tell me, since this deposition is happening now, does that mean we're pretty close to when this thing could go to trial?
Unfortunately, no. You expect that there's going to be more depositions and maybe more motion practice than a trial, so there's still some more time.
Legal attorney, defense attorney and legal analyst, I should say, Barry Covert. Barry, thanks for joining us. Have a great weekend. We appreciate it.
Thank you.